What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Panhandle Black 95. It's been a while since I made a video, I know, man, but hey, things going on in life, sometimes you gotta just take time out and just self-care. Main thing, self-care, you know what I'm saying? Because when you got a lot of stuff on your mind and things happen in life, sometimes you just need to take a quick little break. But yeah, I'm getting back motivated now. So we're on our way to Harbor Freight. So today's mission is to get the Regal situated. So we've been having some inclement weather, and the weather's been like rainy, you know what I'm saying? There's been a lot of rain coming through. And the way that the weather is now, I think it's supposed to rain again this weekend. So what I want to do is get some cover for the Regal, because I got a lot of work to do on the Regal, and I just want to keep it preserved from what I'm doing now and not be going back over the work that I've done already because of the weather, you know, because I've already put the motor, I put the motor mounts on, I put the motor mount in the car. So to that point, you know, it's been a while since I did it, and with the way that everything is situated with the car, I'm gonna show you when we get back over to the shop. But everything is subject to the elements, you know what I'm saying? So all this rain has been going on, so a lot of stuff has been rusted out, so I'm gonna have to go back over that and just get some paint, prime it and paint it over again, so I won't have this problem again. But right now we're gonna head up here to Harbor Freight, get this portable garage, as it should be. That's basically what it is. But yeah, we're gonna go get this portable garage and take it back over here to the shop, get it set up, and I'm gonna tap back in with you guys when I get there. So let's get it. All right, guys, we're back out at the shop. Got a lot done since I've been back. I didn't turn the TV. Got a lot done since I got back. Didn't turn the camera back on until kind of sort of finished what we were doing. As you can see, I'm kind of sweaty. Got a lot of work done, man. So as I was telling you before, we did get the motor out. So the motor is out. So we left the transmission in. Transmission was on. This transmission is not going to stay in. We're not even going to use this transmission. We're going to take this one out because this one doesn't even work. So it's pointless for it to be even here. So I don't even know why we had it on the back of the motor and put it in the first place. But this is the motor. Got to get it cleaned up. Got a lot of gunk and stuff on this. But yeah, we're gonna get this straightened out. But oh man, it's been a long day. But we did get the garage somewhat put up. It's almost there. It's not all the way. Still got a little stuff to do with it. I don't know if we're gonna move it over because that branch, or just cut that branch so that it doesn't affect anything we got going on. But yeah, man, got the garage up. Got a little bit, a couple more parts to put together with it. Put it together. But yeah, we're gonna save that for tomorrow. Yeah, so here is the cover I got. It is 10 foot by 17 feet, portable car canopy. So yeah, it's pretty nice, man. Other than the trees that you got over the top of it. You got to get this fixed up here. Other than that, man, we had a pretty successful day. A little motion going on. Don't know how much longer of this video. I might extend it out and come back tomorrow and see what happens tomorrow. So tomorrow we should be able to get the car inside the garage, get the motor inside the garage as well. So I don't know what tomorrow's gonna bring, but hopefully we can get a lot more accomplished. But if this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit those post notifications to all so you can catch all the videos that I got coming. This ain't it, man. Stick with me, man, until we see you next time. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're back at it today. So we got the garage up now, so everything's tight. We got everything situated to where everything's sitting right. Now we're gonna go ahead and get inside on this engine well, all up in the engine bay. Try to get it cleaned up. We're gonna try to get it painted up before the day is out. But until then, we're gonna try to get this stuff cleaned up. So you're gonna go on this journey with us. So stick with me. Here we go.
You know what, Blake? Good stuff, no?
All right, guys. So I already blew out the inside of under the hood and got all the leaves and stuff that was in there. So now I just need to go in with a little clean, so to get it cleaned up and get it ready for paint. And as you saw in the thumbnail, we did have some boxes come in, so we're gonna do a little unboxing now. So these are the packages that came in. You got your upper and lower control arms. I got another wiring harness. This is what else? I gotta wait till I open it up. We got the gas tank. Got some more. Just hold out, man. We're just gonna hold up until we open it up to see what we got in there. So I don't know what all we really got in there. So stick with me. Let's get it. All right, let's open up some of these boxes and see what we got in here for show. All right, and as I said before, yeah, this is the wiring harness that I needed. And it does have the transmission plug on it. The other one I had didn't have the transmission plug on it, so that's why I had to go out and get another one. But this has got everything I need on that one. So cooking with some hot grease with that one. All right. And these are the lower control arms. You see them, I'm not gonna take them out the plastic right now. Huh? All right, these are the upper control arms. They in the trunk. I just seen them. They should, yeah.
You get some new pipes?
Nah, I ain't get no pipe shit. All right, let's see what else we got. Who? You can order them motor mounts. I told you where to go for them. You can go on Amazon or eBay. That's where everything I got right here come from. I got my headers off of eBay. I already had them. I'm gonna pull them out the trunk too. All right, what we got here? All right, this is all my front end parts. You got your Pitman arms and everything inside of that, bushings and everything inside of there. Got my gas tank. I don't know. I don't know really offhand, but I know it wasn't cheap. Just about anything. Oh, this is sway bars. Yeah. These are your UMI sway bars, your front and back. And I still got some more packages coming in. But as soon as those come in, we'll do an unboxing with those as well. But yeah. Mm-hmm. So that's your front and your rear sway bar. Hardware. All right, and then this one, huh? Shit. Oh, got your oil pan. Pickup tube to go for your oil pan, and everything is inside of here. Came with the gasket. What else? Put that gas tank up. What is it? I doubt it. You probably have to take that off. All right, and this is all your moldings and everything for throughout the car. So yeah, got a few packages in. I'll show you these headers. Let me grab them out the trunk real quick. All right. And these are the short tube headers we got to go along with everything. Nah, I know we didn't put it all on today. I just wanted to do an unboxing of everything that I had. This is just for the video. Yeah, this is a lot of inspiration for what we got coming forward. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock some of this work out. I just wanted to do a couple of the unboxings, show you where we're at right now. But stay tuned with me. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit those post notifications to all so you can catch all the videos that I got coming. But yeah, man, just a little taste of what we got so far and where we're going from here. So stick with me, man. We ain't stopping. Let's get it.